everyone, and welcome to Get Your Tutors Learning Insights. It's me, Sophia, your learning buddy. And today, we're bringing something truly special for all our IB students. Our new topic is how to write an excellent IB extended essay, EE, the step-by-step guide. We know the extended essay can feel like a huge mountain to climb, but don't worry, we're here to make it simpler, structured, and achievable. And to help you even more, I've invited our very own Professor Mihao, who's a specialist in IB curriculum, to take over from here and share some quick, powerful tips on how you can score that perfect A in your extended essay. So stay tuned, listen carefully, and let's master the EE together with Get Your Tutors.
Hello, and welcome to Get Your Tutors. As senior educators, we understand that the IB Extended Essay, or EE, is one of the most significant challenges and opportunities in the IB diploma program. This 4,000-word independent research paper is a cornerstone of your IB journey. Today, we'll provide a comprehensive guide on how to master this process, from start to finish. Mastering the extended essay is about following a structured process. This slide outlines the 7 essential steps. First, choose your subject and supervisor. This is a critical decision. You must select a subject you are genuinely passionate about and a supervisor who can provide expert guidance in that field. Second, develop your topic. This is where you move from a broad interest, like history, to a focused and manageable topic. Third, formulate your research question. This is the absolute core of your essay. You must craft a clear, focused, and compelling research question that will guide your entire investigation. Fourth, conduct research. Here, you'll gather and analyze high-quality, relevant data and academic sources to build and support your arguments. Fifth, structure your essay. You must organize all your findings into a coherent, logical, and analytical structure. This is not just a report, but an argument. Sixth, write and reference. This is where you compose your essay, paying close attention to academic integrity and proper citations. Finally, step 7, reflect and revise. The IB values reflection. You will evaluate your process and meticulously revise your work to create a polished, final product. So, how is the extended essay graded? Understanding the EE assessment criteria is essential. Criterion A, focus and method, and Criterion B, knowledge and understanding, are foundational. But pay close attention to Criterion C, critical thinking. At over 35% of your total mark, this is the most important component. The IB wants to see your analysis, your evaluation, and your ability to synthesize information into a persuasive argument, not just describe what you've read. Criterion D, presentation, covers the formal requirements, like the title page and layout, while Criterion E, engagement, assesses your reflection and engagement with the process. Your final grade hinges on excelling in all 5 areas. We see many students make the same common EE mistakes. The most obvious is procrastination, which leads to rushed, poor quality work. A vague research question is a fatal flaw, as it leads to a superficial and unfocused essay. Another trap is descriptive writing. Your essay must be analytical, not just descriptive. It must have analytical depth. Finally, insufficient research or relying on non-academic sources will undermine your entire argument. Being aware of these pitfalls is the first step to avoiding them. This is where an expert EE tutor can be an invaluable guide. A tutor helps you with topic development and RQ formulation, guiding you to refine your ideas into a powerful, researchable question. They will enhance your research skills, teaching you how to find and evaluate academic sources. They provide crucial feedback on drafts, focusing on analytical depth, and helping you with structuring the argument. Crucially, they ensure you fully understand the assessment criteria and help with time management to keep you on track. It is just as important to understand the ethical boundaries. An ethical tutor cannot do the work for you. They cannot choose your topic. They absolutely cannot write or rewrite any part of your essay. They cannot provide the content or your main arguments. And they cannot guarantee a specific grade. The extended essay must be your own work in your own voice. So why is the EE so important? This journey is your single best preparation for university. It directly builds the skills you will need to succeed in higher education. Independent research, advanced critical thinking, formal academic writing, and rigorous time management. Mastering the EE isn't just about the IB diploma. It's about setting yourself up for future university success. At Get Your Tutors, we are dedicated to helping you achieve IB success. We provide specialized IB tutors who are experienced educators, offering tailored one-on-one EE guidance. We believe in ethical mentorship, acting as mentors.